Have you ever wondered how to make gardening fun and educational for children? It's easier than you might think. Gardening is a fantastic way to bond with your little ones, while also teaching them about the wonders of nature. They'll learn about the life cycles of plants, the importance of responsibility, and the joy of nurturing growth. From planting seeds to watching them bloom, every step is a fascinating lesson. So, get ready to embark on a joyous gardening journey with your little ones. The magic of gardening begins with a single seed. Imagine the delight and curiosity as children embark on the journey of seed starting. The process is simple yet fascinating. First, we choose the seeds. It could be flowers, vegetables, or herbs. Then, we create DIY seed starters using items like egg cartons or toilet paper rolls. The real excitement begins when these seeds start to germinate, sprouting tiny green shoots. Witness the wonder in your child's eyes as they watch life sprout from a tiny seed. Now let's add some color and life to your garden. Imagine the fun of choosing plants with your little ones, exploring the softness of ferns, the prickliness of cacti, or the sweet fragrance of blooming roses. Then there's the joy of growing your own food. Plump tomatoes, crisp lettuce, juicy strawberries. Nothing beats the taste of homegrown produce. And what better way to instill a love for fresh fruits and veggies than by growing them together? Together, you can create a vibrant garden that delights the senses. How about adding a personal touch to your garden? Let's spark creativity by crafting personalized plant markers and garden decorations. These fun projects not only personalize your garden, but also foster a sense of ownership in children. With their own creations, children will feel a sense of pride and connection to their garden. Lastly, let's turn your garden into a haven for butterflies and bees. Choosing plants like lavender, sunflowers, and milkweed can attract these precious pollinators. It's a dynamic, educational way to showcase nature's interconnectedness. Watch as your garden becomes a bustling hub for nature's little helpers.